Go. I feel so good right now. Like, I don't know. I just feel real good. Top dollar, that's me. You playing games and you gon' pay the.
Okay, so we're going to be using mainly Fenty products, and first I'm going to go in with for Pro Filter Primer, and I'm just going to rub that into the skin before I go in with her foundation, and I'm going to be using that in about 3 seconds. So starting now, I'm going to be using her foundation in the shade 390, and that shit is too fucking dark for me, but oh well. And I'm going to be using her foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply that onto my skin very quickly because this foundation is very mattifying and it's gonna dry mad quick.
All the stars can't stop swimming. Day one, same crew from the beginning. Steady winning. See my team on top, winning. All the stars can't stop swimming. Day one, same crew from the beginning. Steady winning.
I look so fucking brown and orange or whatever the fuck I look like. This shit don't match my neck. Look at my neck. My neck is mad light and I'm mad fucking dark. Oh my God. When will I ever find? Oh shit, and I did pick up the shade too. Well, I don't remember if I did. I forgot. Oh my God. I need a foundation that's actually my fucking skin color and not me when I'm tan. I think I'm darker than this when I'm fucking tan anyway.
Okay, we're halfway done in transforming into a baby gal, so I'm going to be using my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Ginger, and I'm just going to be highlighting my T-zone area, and I'm going to be using the Fenty makeup sponge to blend everything out.
From the beginning, steady winning. See my team on top, winning. All the stars can't stop swimming. Day one, same crew from the beginning. Steady winning.
Okay, so now we're gonna contour, and we finna snatch this nose, snatch these cheekbones that I already have, snatch this jaw that I already have, but we're just going to be extra. And I'm gonna be using the Fenty Matchstick and Truffle. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the makeup sponge again.
Tryna get this money, honey. Ain't with it, then move round from me. Use a dummy. Tryna make these racks stack. Come between it and we ain't gon' lack. And that's a fact. Tryna make this cheddar better. Rain, sleet, snow, shorts, tank, sweater weather. Tryna make this dough grow beast. And I'm feasting. I'm all about my promo. That's faux show. See, I got it. Vision, yeah, I spot it. Pick it up, I put it on my back. I never drop it. See you throwing shade from over there. You need to stop it. Cause every time I pull up on the scene, I get it poppin'. So keep watching while I'm doing me. Grinding all day cause ain't shit for free. Keep it 100 so I know they gon' be fucking with me. Fuck niggas, get money. Word to B.I.G.
And now I'm just going to conceal underneath where I contoured my cheekbone. I usually don't do this, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to do it. I only do this once in a blue moon. But yeah, I'm going to blend this out with my makeup sponge yet again. And now I'm going to use my Revolution Makeup's banana powder, and I'm going to set everywhere that I highlighted.
Keep it articulate so you know what I be saying. Slipping, no tripping, I be steady making my way in. Give it all my energy, I'm going super saiyan. No playing, tryna get it raining. Hard working, no complaining. Trust God, yeah, I'm steady praying. I'm patient, I'm waiting, no debating. So what you want? Tell me what you want. Cause every time you come up, you gotta pay the cost. Tell these bloodsuckers they.
So we're gonna now set our contour with MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade, I think it's C45 or something like that, but yeah.
Niggas get money, word to B.I.G.
Bruh. Oh my god. Okay, so now I'm going to be setting my whole face with my MAC Studio Fix foundation in the shade C40 or C42, I forgot, but whatever. Moral of the story is I'm setting my face.
Oh my God, my natural light is like going away. The sun is starting to set. What the fuck? Oh my God. And I'm almost there. I am almost fucking there. Shit. Why am I filming in my bra all the time now? What the fuck?
Someone called ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay, so as you saw, we're gonna make this bitch light up with Trophy Wipe Highlighter from Fenty Beauty, and we're just gonna highlight the highest points of our cheeks, and then we're gonna do the tip and bridge of our nose, and then our cupid's bow, and all that good stuff that you're about to see.
Yeah. Shorty ass look like a wall. Yeah. Look like a wall. Yeah. Shorty ass look like a shortcake. It's just like a sword. I'm trying to get it in. It's not a short stay. Shortcake.
Finally, I'm going to be using my lip combo of the MAC lip liner in Corca and NYX Lingerie liquid lipstick in Corset, and then we're finally done.
Little shortcake, yeah, I got it. Got him going crazy every time I pop it. Poppy dripping on them, I can't even stop it. Skin shining like they diamonds all over my body. Told them, looking for the flavors, then you in the right place. Looking for the flavors, come and get a little taste. Looking for the flavors, put the flavors in your face. Got you running for the flavors like you in a race. Tastes just like a sorbet. What you